Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage location services on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now here you will find privacy. Click on it. Here you will find location services. Click on it, and here as you see you can manage your services location settings as you want, and that's it. For today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.